Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best school board is probably one of the most essential tools for any classroom, whether it's a bustling elementary school or a dynamic university lecture hall, serving as the central hub for information dissemination, collaborative brainstorming, and visual learning experiences that can transform passive observation into active engagement, making it a critical component in fostering an effective and interactive educational environment for students of all ages. Number 5. 8-piece washable chalk markers set. Unleash your creativity with this set of 8 vibrant chalk markers. They're perfect for decorating windows, bistro boards, and more. Enjoy the look of chalk without the dust and mess. Our concentrated ink provides a smooth, no-fuss experience on various non-porous surfaces. These markers feature a reversible bullet and chisel tip, allowing for both fine details and broader strokes. Perfect for any artistic endeavor. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, they are non-toxic and odorless. A simple damp cloth easily wipes away the ink for a clean finish. Whether for a holiday gift or DIY crafts, this set is a fantastic way to add a festive touch. They're ideal for artists and crafters alike. Beyond chalkboards, these markers work beautifully on glass, ceramic, whiteboards, and more. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? These chalk markers offer vibrant color without the mess of traditional chalk. They work on chalkboards, glass, and more, with a reversible tip for detailed work. If you're looking for a versatile and fun way to decorate or create on various surfaces, especially for crafts or classroom activities, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to clean, making it perfect for daily use in a classroom setting. The board is lightweight and comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, which made installation a breeze. The magnetic surface is strong enough to hold multiple papers and notes securely, a very useful feature for organizing information. Number 4. VIZ-PRO 36 by 24-inch wall-mounted whiteboard. Introducing the VIZ-PRO 36 by 24-inch whiteboard. It's designed for seamless use in any setting, from classrooms to your home office. Experience a smooth, non-magnetic writing surface that's incredibly easy to clean. All your notes and ideas can be wiped away effortlessly with dry erase markers. This board features a stylish silver aluminum frame and durable ABS plastic corners. It's built to last and looks great in any environment. Installation is a breeze with the included fixing kits. You can mount it either vertically or horizontally to perfectly suit your space and needs. Everything you need is included, from the mounting hardware to a convenient pen tray. Get ready to organize and create with ease. What we like? This whiteboard provides a smooth, durable writing surface perfect for everyday use. Its sturdy aluminum frame and easy mounting system make it ideal for any school or office environment. If you need a reliable, no-fuss whiteboard for regular presentations, brainstorming, or lesson planning, this is a solid option. What people say. The large size of this board and it came with everything you need to install it up on the wall easily. It erases perfectly and leaves no residue. I haven't tested out the magnet strength, but overall I'm very satisfied with this product. The writing surface of the VIZ-PRO whiteboard is outstanding. The smooth and glossy surface allows markers to glide effortlessly, providing a seamless writing experience. The board resists ghosting and staining, ensuring that my notes and drawings remain clear and vibrant over time. Number 3. Wall Calendar Dry Erase Whiteboard 16x12. Effortlessly manage your schedule and plan ahead with this versatile magnetic whiteboard. Its dual-sided design allows for planning multiple projects or using one side as a blank canvas. This planner offers both a dry erase calendar and a blank surface, perfect for tracking events, creating to-do lists, or jotting down reminders. Easily adjust its position to suit your needs, whether hung vertically or horizontally. Stay on top of important dates and tasks with the undated monthly calendar grid. It's an ideal visual tool for clear communication in any setting, from the kitchen to the office. This set includes the 16 by 12-inch double-sided board, along with magnetic dry erase markers in various colors, magnetic pieces, and a dry eraser, making it a comprehensive organization solution. Enjoy a smooth writing experience on its durable surface, which wipes clean easily without leaving stains. It's designed to help you stay organized and ahead of your schedule. This portable and lightweight board is suitable for a variety of uses, including home teaching, meal planning, grocery lists, and daily reminders, making it a valuable addition to any space. What we like. This compact whiteboard features a monthly calendar layout on one side and a blank surface on the other, with magnetic capabilities. Its portability and dual functionality make it excellent for planning and reminders. If you're someone who likes to stay organized with monthly schedules, meal plans, or to-do lists, and needs a visual aid at home or in the office, this is perfect for you. What people say. The board is really smooth, so I have to get used to writing on it. Products really is as advertised, great colors and very high quality items. I use this board for somebody with memory loss, and it has been very, very helpful to jot down the important notes of the day. This magnetic dry erase calendar is a perfect addition for staying organized at home or the office. The 16-inch by 12-inch size is compact yet spacious enough for planning, memos, or daily reminders. It's double-sided, easy to hang, and the surface wipes clean effortlessly. Great for kitchens, desks, or even dorm rooms. Portable, practical, and stylish. A simple, effective tool for monthly planning. Number 2. GMAOPHY 16-in-x12 Magnetic Desktop Whiteboard. This double-sided dry erase board offers maximized writing space, allowing you to manage multiple projects simultaneously. It's perfect for group teaching, home study, or leaving important memos. This generously sized whiteboard set includes 10 magnetic markers in various colors, for magnets, and an eraser. Its large size makes it ideal for any desk, counter, or podium. With its portable design and included stand, you can easily move this whiteboard anywhere. It can lay flat, hang on a wall, or stand on a desk, ensuring it stays put without sliding. Enjoy a smooth and durable writing surface that's easy to write on and even easier to wipe clean without leaving stains. Remember to peel off the protective film before use for the best experience. This versatile whiteboard is perfect for kitchens, dorms, offices, and classrooms. It can function as a calendar, aid in lesson planning, and boost creativity, making it a fantastic gift for students and professionals alike. Enhance learning and creativity with this whiteboard. It's excellent for practicing math, supporting teachers, and encouraging drawing and writing skills in students of all ages. What we like. This desktop whiteboard comes with a stand and is fully adjustable for optimal viewing angles, making it incredibly convenient for small group teaching or personal memos. It's portable and includes markers, magnets, and an eraser. If you need a flexible and accessible writing surface for quick notes, teaching aids, or creative sessions at your desk, this is a great fit. What people say. The 16-inch by 12-inch size is just right, large enough to be seen across the room, but compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk or shelf. The double-sided magnetic surface is smooth and erases cleanly, even after repeated use. It comes with 10 vibrant markers, for magnets, and a sturdy eraser, everything you need right out of the box. The stand is stable, and the board feels well made overall. The surface is smooth, easy to write on, and erases clean without leaving stains. It's lightweight but sturdy, and the mounting was simple. Number 1. Marsrock Portable Double-Sided Whiteboard. Meet the Marsrock Dry Erase Whiteboard, your versatile companion for planning and creativity. It's designed for ease of use and durability. This kit comes with everything you need: 10 colorful markers, 6 magnets, and an eraser. The surfaces are smooth, easy to write on, and wiped clean without leaving a trace. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it's resistant to drops and designed to last. Its lightweight nature and adjustable stand make it perfect for use anywhere. Easily adjust the angle to your preferred writing or viewing position. The reinforced stand ensures stability, whether you lay it flat or prop it up. Flip it over to use the weekly planner side for organizing your schedule. It's perfect for managing tasks, study sessions, or daily to-do lists. From classrooms and offices to home use, it's great for teaching, meetings, planning, or as a fun drawing tool for kids. It also doubles as a bulletin board. What we like. This whiteboard offers a weekly planner on one side and a standard whiteboard on the other, complete with a stable, adjustable stand and a durable frame. It's designed for easy writing and cleaning. If you're focused on managing your weekly tasks, study schedules, or work projects and need a dedicated planning tool that's both stable and portable, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great dry erase board that's sturdy and easy to use. The markers work well, the magnetic strength is great, and it looks good in our space, not too big or bulky. Double-sided, plenty of markers with a magnet and eraser built in, extra magnets, an extra magnetic eraser along with it. Adjustable and a nice size. Pens have built-in erasers and magnets to attach them to the board. Two-sided with stand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.